This is a introduction to the image rename it program with a short overview of how the program works. What we have in the open window here is one vehicle, mileage here. The name that the camera gave the image is Sam_4774. So we're going to go in here and we're going to change that. Currently we're in body. But as you notice up here in this section, there are a number of different selections in here. So to get to our identification, which mileage, we have to select overview. We have 4 corners, and then of course we have ID. And each time you select one of these buttons here, the far right column will light up. You load your image directory by using this button here. You navigate on your hard drive, your computer, or your camera if it's connected through USB or whatever to whatever folder it is that you want to get into. It will load those images in that folder. Then you come up and of course you select whichever heading up above, and in this case we want ID, and you notice that the camera image, which was Sam, as soon as you press ID, it takes care of Sam, takes it out of there. Then you hit your mileage. In this case, we're going to use the destination folder. So we're going to navigate to the output, just a demo, which is at this point, this folder here, which is completely empty. And we're going to select mileage, and then we're going to back up to this image, and you notice it says here ID mileage, and we go to our folder, and that image was copied to that empty folder. Then let's say you want to go to your VIN number. As soon as you get to this area here, your next image, you want to take a quick glance over here and make sure that it says ID. It gets rid of that image from the camera. And then in this case, we do our VIN number. Now we're going to just move on. We're going to do just a couple of things here. This is your left front corner all. Okay. This is your right front corner all, and if you notice, these images get changed, and you notice that they are in here and they are done. And you also will notice that this is very fast at doing this. So we're going to go just a couple of more. We've got right rear corner, and we've got left rear corner, and you're done. That's how simple and how fast and how easy it is. There are other videos on the tutorials page, which can be found here by clicking this, and it'll take you right to that page to where all the other videos are at. That will give you a lot more information about how this program works, how easy it is, how to change all of the database things that you want to change, how to add to this, which is very easy with the names down here. We also have designation buttons at the bottom. Let's say this is the back of the vehicle, and we are going to go to rear body. Well, actually, we should go to rear bumper because that's what it's at. And I want to put center in there because this is the middle of that rear bumper. And we have bumper damages. So once again, we come in. Oh, well, the Windows resorts things, so it sometimes jumps out of the way. But we have our rear bumper, center bumper damages now. Anyway, that is an overview of how the program works, how fast it can be. This is a huge time-saving utility for renaming digital images.